I don't wanna be lonely anymore. I don't wanna be lonely anymore. I don't wanna be lonely no more. I don't wanna be lonely no more. No, I know, but I don't wanna be lonely anymore. So guys, we're just going to do a pass of diamonds. Hey everybody, all my friends and fans here who've been playing along with the home game, I want to give it up for our friend standing in for Al and doing an unbelievable job, Conrad. We're going to bust out a badass tackle players here too, everybody. Up the hill, she says I just can't win for losing. And she lays back down. There been so many times I don't know what I'm doing, like I don't know now. By the light of the moon, she rolls her eyes. Says it's funny how the night can make you blind. I can just imagine. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but she feels bad and I do too. So I let her be. And she says, oh, I can't take no more. Her tears like diamonds on the floor. Her diamonds bring me down, 'cause I can't help her now. She's down, she tried her best and now she can't open it. See them on the ground, her diamonds falling down. What's up? A little bit less snare, a little bit more vocal. She sits down and stares into the distance. It takes all night. I know I can break her concentration. Oh, but it don't feel right. She looks her eyes, sits down on her bed and starts to cry. There's something less about her. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, so I sit down and I cry too. Don't let her see. And she says, ooh, I can't take no more. Her tears like diamonds on the floor. And her diamonds bring me down, 'cause I can't help her now. She's dying. She tried her best and now she can't win this far. To see them on the ground, her diamonds falling down. She sits out the night, tries to close her eyes. She can find daylight, and she'll be alright. She'll be alright, just not tonight. And she says, ooh, I can't take no more. Her tears like diamonds on the floor. Her diamonds bring me down.